Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Corolla windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades. You'll typically need a 26-inch blade for the driver's side and a 14-inch blade for the passenger's side. Next, carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. It's a good idea to place a towel or piece of cardboard on your windshield to protect it in case the arm accidentally snaps back. Now, let's remove the old blades. Look for a small tab or button on the wiper blade connector where it meets the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade down and off the wiper arm hook. Remember to hold onto the wiper arm securely. You don't want the metal arm to accidentally snap back and hit your windshield, potentially causing damage. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely in place. Once both new blades are attached, gently lower each wiper arm back onto your windshield. To complete the process, turn on your car and test the new wiper blades using your windshield washer fluid. Ensure they clear the glass smoothly and effectively. For optimal performance and longevity, remember to regularly clean your wiper blades with a damp cloth. Also, if you're looking for some incredibly comfortable and durable socks, check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.